Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to layer multiple clips like a pro using KineMaster. Layering helps you create picture-in-picture overlay and professional effect. Let's get started. First, open the KineMaster app, tap the plus icon to create a new project, add your main background video to the timeline. Now tap on the layer, choose media, select another video or image you want to place on the top. This clip will appear as a layer above the main video. Tap on the layer clip, use your finger to resize and move it anywhere on the screen. This is perfect for picture-in-picture video, reaction video, tutorial overlays, and drag the layer clip in the timeline when it starts and ends. This helps scan layer with your video or voice. Tap on the layer clip and add animation, blending modes for creative effect. These tools make your video look professional. Tap the play button to preview your layer video. If everything looks good, text export. Choose 1080p for the best quality and save your video. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.